Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the dynamic world of advertising and promotion. This topic is central to any successful marketing strategy and plays a crucial role in how companies communicate with their target audiences. We'll explore how to develop and manage effective advertising campaigns, create impactful promotions, and leverage public relations to build and maintain a positive brand image. By the end of this lecture, you should have a solid understanding of 1. The strategic role of advertising and promotion in marketing. 2. The steps involved in creating an advertising campaign. 3. Various promotional tools and how to manage them. 4. The importance of public relations and how to integrate it into your communication strategy. So, let's get started. Advertising and promotion are integral components of the marketing mix. They help businesses 1. Increase awareness, inform potential customers about products or services. 2. Create interest, generate curiosity and desire for offerings. 3. Stimulate demand, encourage consumers to make a purchase. 4. Differentiate products, highlight unique selling propositions, USPs, to stand out from competitors. 5. Build brand loyalty, foster long-term relationships with customers. Advertising and promotion are not just about selling, they're about communicating value and building a brand narrative that resonates with your audience. Developing an effective advertising campaign involves several key steps. Define advertising objectives. 1. What do you want to achieve? 1. Objectives could be increasing brand awareness, launching a new product, or boosting sales. 2. Objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Identify the target audience. 1. Understand who your customers are, their demographics, psychographics, needs, and media consumption habits. 2. This ensures your message is tailored to the right people. Craft the message. 1. Develop a clear and compelling message that communicates the value proposition. 2. Use the AIDA model, attention, interest, desire, action, to guide message creation. Select media channels. 1. Choose the most effective platforms to reach your target audience, e.g., TV, radio, print, online, social media. 2. Consider factors like reach, frequency, and cost. Set the budget. 1. Determine how much to spend based on objectives and expected return on investment, ROI. 2. Methods include percentage of sales, competitive parity, or objective task budgeting. Create the advertisements. 1. Collaborate with creative teams to produce engaging content. This includes visuals, copy, and calls to action. 2. Ensure consistency with brand guidelines. Execute the campaign. 1. Launch the advertisements according to the media plan. 2. Monitor placements and ensure everything runs smoothly. Measure and evaluate results. 1. Assess the campaign's effectiveness using key performance indicators, KPIs, like reach, engagement, conversion rates, and sales lift. 2. Use insights to optimize future campaigns. 2. Let's look at a real-world example, Nike's Just Do It campaign. 1. Objective: rejuvenate the brand and increase market share in the competitive athletic wear industry. 2. Target audience: originally aimed at hardcore athletes but expanded to everyday fitness enthusiasts. 3. Message: Just Do It encapsulates motivation and empowerment, encouraging people to push their limits. 4. Media channels: multi-channel approach including TV commercials, print ads, billboards, and digital platforms. 5. Results: the campaign significantly boosted brand recognition and sales, making "Just Do It" an iconic slogan. 5. Promotion encompasses various tactics beyond traditional advertising to stimulate market demand. Sales promotions. 1. Short-term incentives to encourage purchase, e.g., discounts, coupons, buy one get one free offers. 2. Effective for attracting price-sensitive customers and clearing excess inventory. Personal selling. 1. Direct interaction between a salesperson and a customer. 2. Allows for personalized communication and relationship building. Direct marketing. 1. Communicating directly with targeted customers to generate a response, e.g., email marketing, telemarketing, catalog distribution. 2. Highly measurable and customizable. Digital marketing. 1. Utilizing online platforms to reach customers, e.g., social media marketing, search engine marketing, content marketing. 2. Offers precise targeting and real-time analytics. Event marketing and sponsorships. 1. Associating the brand with events or causes to enhance brand image and customer engagement. 2. Examples include sports events, concerts, or charity fundraisers. Public relations, PR. 1. Managing the spread of information between the organization and the public. 2. Involves press releases, media relations, and crisis management. 2. To manage promotions successfully. 1. Align with marketing objectives. Ensure promotional activities support overall marketing goals. 2. Understand legal and ethical considerations. Comply with regulations and promote responsibly. 3. Set clear budgets and timelines. Plan resources efficiently to maximize ROI. 4. Monitor and measure performance. Use metrics like redemption rates, foot traffic, and sales data to assess effectiveness. 5. Integrate across channels. Ensure consistency in messaging across all promotional platforms. 5. Public relations, PR, is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics. Key functions include: 1. Media relations. Engaging with journalists and media outlets to secure coverage. 2. Crisis management. Responding to negative events to protect the brand's reputation. 3. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, promoting ethical practices and community involvement. 4. Influencer partnerships. Collaborating with individuals who have significant followings to amplify the brand message. Effective PR can enhance credibility, manage public perception, and complement advertising efforts. Steps to develop a PR strategy. Set clear objectives. 1. Define what you want to achieve, e.g., increase brand awareness, improve public perception, manage a crisis. Identify target audiences. 1. Determine who you need to communicate with: customers, investors, employees, or the general public. Craft key messages. 1. Develop consistent and clear messages that align with your brand values and objectives. Choose PR tools and tactics. 1. Select appropriate methods such as press releases, press conferences, social media, or community events. Build relationships with media. 1. Establish and maintain positive relationships with journalists and influencers. Monitor media coverage. 1. Use media monitoring tools to track mentions and sentiment. Evaluate and adjust. 1. Assess the impact of PR activities and refine strategies accordingly. 1. An integrated approach ensures that all forms of communications and messages are carefully linked together. This includes: 1. Consistent messaging. Maintaining the same core message across all channels to reinforce brand identity. 2. Coordination between departments. Ensuring marketing, sales, and PR teams work collaboratively. 3. Leveraging multiple platforms. Using a mix of advertising, promotions, and PR to reach audiences effectively. 4. Customer engagement. Encouraging interaction and feedback to build relationships. Integration amplifies the impact of each component, creating a cohesive brand experience. In summary, advertising and promotion are multifaceted disciplines that require strategic planning, creativity, and continuous management. By developing compelling advertising campaigns, managing promotions effectively, and leveraging public relations, businesses can connect with their audiences, drive sales, and build strong brands. Now, I'd like to open the floor for questions. Feel free to ask about any aspect we've covered today or share your own experiences with advertising and promotion strategies. You may ask, how do companies measure the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns, especially when it comes to brand awareness? Great question. Measuring the effectiveness of advertising campaigns can be done using several metrics. 1. Reach and impressions. How many people saw the advertisement? 2. Engagement metrics. Likes, shares, comments, and clicks, especially important in digital advertising. 3. Brand awareness surveys. Pre- and post-campaign surveys to assess changes in brand recognition and perception. 4. Sales data, correlating increases in sales with campaign timelines. 5. Website traffic analytics, monitoring changes in website visits and user behavior during the campaign period. Combining these metrics provides a comprehensive view of the campaign's impact. You may also ask, can you explain more about how social media has changed promotional strategies? Social media has revolutionized promotional strategies by 1. Enhancing engagement. Brands can interact directly with consumers, fostering two-way communication. 2. Enabling targeted advertising. Platforms offer sophisticated targeting based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. 3. Facilitating viral marketing. Content can be shared rapidly, amplifying reach organically. 4. Providing real-time feedback. Instant reactions allow for quick adjustments to strategies. 5. Cost effectiveness. Social media promotions can be more affordable compared to traditional media. Overall, social media has made promotions more interactive, personalized, and data-driven. Before we wrap up, I want to assign a brief project. 1. Task. Develop a mini advertising campaign for a product or service of your choice. 2. Components to include: define objectives and target audience. Craft a key message and tagline. Choose appropriate media channels. Outline a promotional tactic, e.g., a sales promotion or PR event. 3. Deliverables. A presentation summarizing your campaign strategy. This assignment will help you apply the concepts we've discussed and unleash your creativity. Thank you all for your active participation today. Advertising and promotion are ever-evolving fields that offer exciting opportunities to connect with audiences in meaningful ways. Stay curious, observe real-world campaigns, and think about what makes them effective. See you all in the next class, where we'll explore digital marketing strategies in more depth.